This week we were on the road to the Prince William Cruisers Benefit Car Show for Wounded Warriors. I want to give them a shout out and 2 thumbs up. Good job helping out our wounded warriors. And before we get started, we want to ask you to subscribe, give us a like, hit the notification bell, please leave a comment. So we're here today at the Occoquan Regional Park in Fairfax County for their fall car show. And it's like 9:30 in the morning and there's already about 150 cars here. So stick with us today. We're going to show you all this stuff. Here we go. 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air 4-door. 57 Ford Custom Fairlane 500. 57 Pontiac Star Chief. 'So we want to really give the Prince William Cruisers a big time shout out. 2 thumbs up, 2 big toes up for actually putting on this benefit show to help out our wounded warriors. What a worthwhile project, what a worthwhile benefit. Good job, Prince William Cruisers. Nice show at the Occoquan Park in Lorton, Virginia. Dog Motors has 2 cars for sale. 31 Ford 2-door sedan, 74 Corvette T-top stroker engine. Give us a call, 571-221-2095. This is a replica of a 1934 Ford Coupe 2-door from the 1974 television movie The California Kid, starring Martin Sheen. '40 Ford 2-door coupe. 1963 Chevrolet Biscayne 2-door with a big block engine. '66 Ford Galaxy 500 428 engine convertible. The owner told me that he rebuilt everything on this car himself except for the convertible top. He's had every nut and bolt and screw out of the car. 1972 Cuda with a 440 and a 6-pack tri-power. '69 Mustang convertible. '61 Corvette with 2 4-barrels from the factory. This is a very nice original car, very nice. This is a 1929 Model A pickup. It's got that really cool Auga horn. It's got the fender well spare mount tire with the mirror on it. It's got the running board cage with the oil and the extra gas can in it. '63 Chevrolet Biscayne 2-door with a big block Chevrolet motor. '59 and 1960 Ford Essels.
'69 Firebird 400.
'67 Chevelle SS. '66 Corvette Stingray Fastback with the knockoff wheels and the factory side pipes. 1955 Chevrolet station wagon with a 6-cylinder. (1941) Ford 2-door. (1939) Plymouth 2-door.